Hello everybody, this is Helga and let's study English together. Easy, easily, good or well. In this lesson we are going to learn about adverbs. In English there are adjectives: slow, careful, happy, easy, angry. Let's make adverbs: slowly, carefully, happily, easily, and angrily. For more spelling practice, please check the link below. Let's practice in sentences. She sings beautifully. She doesn't sing beautifully. Does she sing beautifully? Yes, she does. He is working hard. He isn't working hard. Is he working hard? Yes, he is. She danced gracefully. She didn't dance gracefully. Did she dance gracefully? Yes, she did. I am going to study seriously. I am not going to study seriously. Are you going to study seriously? Yes, I am. For more practice, please check the link below. Let's rewrite some sentences. She is a slow writer, so she writes slowly. They are careful drivers, so they drive carefully. He is a happy worker, so he works happily. For more practice, please check the link below. Would you like to practice more? Spelling rules, spelling practice, sentence practice, and sentence rewriting practice. If yes, please check the link below. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon.